Hey marketing students, I hope you all are doing well. We are going to dive right in today and we'll do a couple different things. But if you're watching this, it means that you've figured out and you've gotten to the lesson already. So you are doing the first thing that you're supposed to is watch the tutorial. Then I need you to read these two documents. They're pretty straightforward. Should take about 3 minutes or less each, depending on how fast you read. Just take a look at those two, read through them quick. And then there's an About Me assignment. Now, I've had all of you in class before, and so this is different than what we usually do. But this says, tell me about one fun thing you did this summer, include at least one picture. Um, so I'm going to show you an example here really quick. One more. All right, so asking you to tell one fun thing. Scroll down, you can see my picture example here. And then I have um, a little bit of an explanation of, I visited my sister in Washington State this year, and that's Mount Rainier, and I hiked a ton that day, but it was a lot of fun. And then number two, it says anything new you would like me to know about you, and so you can have fun with this. It can be good, it can be bad, anything that you think I would want to know. And so I did kind of a goofy one. My favorite band came out with a new album a month ago, and I can't stop listening to it. And I was actually listening to it right before I did this video. The last one here says, why did you choose to take this class? So tell me about why you chose to take marketing, and then we'll go from there. Next thing, so after you get done with that, make sure you share it with me so that way I can give you credit for it. So obviously make a copy of it, share it with me, right? And then class personal goals is the next thing here. And I've already had a couple from different classes. And so if you're in a different class with me and you did one of these, it's going to look similar. But obviously this will be for marketing class. So you're just going to create a Google Doc or Google Slideshow that you basically set goals for yourself in this class. So 5 of these goals should be personal for this class. Tell me about okay, what kind of experience do you have in marketing? Or what do you know already about marketing? And then number 3, how do you think this will benefit you in your personal life? Number 4, how do you think this class will benefit you in school and in your future? All right, so you should have like 4 slides or something like that. I am wanting you to use complete sentences and proper grammar. And I also want you to include a title slide, clip art or pictures, appealing fonts, text sizes, colors. The document must be organized and visually appealing. All right. If you keep scrolling down here, there is a rubric. And I told you to just share this with me whenever you're done. But basically, this is worth 24 points. And you get 0 for really not trying or doing a very poor job. 1 to 2 is average, someone who does, pretty good work, and then a 3 would be someone who does really nice work. So make sure that you're doing as best as you can on this. Take a look at that rubric before you start doing that. Outside of that, those are the only 2 things that I have for you this first class meeting. Then on Friday, we will have our first class meeting from 2 until 3:30. All right, and you will get an email that looks like this right here. And it will say, obviously not principal office hours. This is one that Mr. Wolf sent to all of us teachers if we wanted to. So what will happen is if you click no, it won't show up on your Google Calendar. If you click yes, it will. And that will actually, if you have your Google Calendar set synced up with your phone, it will go right in there and remind you about 10 minutes before. But there is a link right here to the Google Meet. All right, so there will be a link here. And then I'll also put a link right here in the next lesson. So in lesson 2, I'll put a Google Meet link right there. So it'll be 2 different places. Like I said, you will be getting an email like this on Friday or possibly before. But anyway, then yeah, like I said, you just click the link and you can join the meet probably a little bit before 2 o'clock so you can get situated and get ready. Outside of that, I am very excited for this class because I've already had all of you in class, and I am really looking forward to doing this new class as marketing, and I know that a lot of you are awesome students, and so it'll be a great semester. I hope you're looking forward to it too. We'll see you all on Friday.